Hello there, this is video number 2, Berkshire Furniture Product Entry. And as per your conversation this morning, I have a Skype message that I have to talk about a few different issues. One is being product configuration, furniture type. The next one is price formula, how to calculate. And the next one is how to find related product, and it says please provide product description keyword and the search product by category. So let's discuss one by one. First is product configuration section, furniture type. This is very easy. Now on the furniture type, as you see here, my mouse is going over, we have two types only two types. And this is reflected also on our website. You see here, this is Canadian and this is imports. Okay, Canadian imports. For example, if I search in here chairs, like that, I'm gonna probably get a bunch of chairs. Let's see. Okay, there's a lot of chairs in here, you can see, correct? Now in these chairs, some of them are Canadian, some of them are imports, and unfortunately we did not put the filter on this section here on the search, right? On the search areas we don't have the Canadian flag and international flag, otherwise we could click on one of those and we'll filter here. But if you go to the dining room and you go in there, dining chairs, and you put all dining chairs, I will show you what that area of import and Canadian mean, furniture type. You see the two flag is coming here. This should actually come also on the new website as per search too. This is important. If I click on the Canadian flag, it's going to filter to me and give me all the Canadian products. This is meaning this is all made in Canada. It's not made anywhere else. Okay, this one is actually wrong. This SP is wrong. This is not supposed to be here. Somebody missed that. So these are all Canadian. Now this one of the supplier which is Canadian, like I told you before, is Handstone, and the Handstone product starts with the code NEW. So this area of Canadian in product is all the product that are made by either Canadian factories or imported from China, India, Malaysia, and they go under the category of imports. How do we determine which one is Canadian, which one is import? I think I've already emailed you a list, but I'm going to do that today again so you can easily understand, and I'm going to email you the code for these items so you can see which manufacturers are Canadian and which ones are importers. For example, NEW stands for Newton, which used to be a manufacturer before, and now they changed their name to Handstone. This right here, Handstone. And you have gone through this, you've probably seen it, and all our product which starts with NEW. You see this? It doesn't matter whether it's a chair or it's a bed or a table or whatever it is, anything that starts with NEW, that is coming from this manufacturer, which is Handstone. They used to be called Newton. That's why we put that long time ago, that code. You see, Newton Furnishings. That's the parent company. See, the same furniture, and we took the NEW from this three words, new. That's what it comes from. See, but unfortunately they changed their name to Handstone, and we didn't bother to change the code. We can also change the code one if you want to. It's very quickly. Anyways, we don't want to bother with that now, so you keep going with that NEW. So this furniture type is Canadian. All right. Now, if it's not Canadian, then it's import. So today, after I finish this video, you will have an email also that has exactly all the brand names, and it will tell you which one is Canadian furniture type, which one is import furniture type, and which code we are using for what supplier and manufacturer. Okay, so that will clear that for you. So when you're putting an item N, after you know that that's on your list to see if it's Canadian, then you choose furniture type Canadian. If it's on your list, it says that's a import product, then you choose import. That's all. This is the furniture type. That's how we choose. Okay. You don't know right now which company is import, which company is Canadian. I thought I've sent you the list, but I'm going to send you a nice list, exactly highlighted, and you can just memorize which one is Canadian, which one is import as per their code, the 3 digits or 2 digits they have, NU or SP or NEW, like that. And there's only like a few Canadian, like maybe 5 or 6 Canadian, the rest is all import stuff, so it's easy to memorize that. The next question you have is the price formula, how to calculate. Okay. Now, I spoke to the gentleman today, I think it was Kenneth, and I told him that we do have different ways of calculating prices. Okay. One way is price calculation, which is through here. Actually, I should go back and open a new window so you can see. Let me just do something here. I don't want to lose this product. Okay. I'm going to open a new window. In here. Okay. The first thing you have to know is you have to know something here. I think they don't allow you to not know that. You will know this price. You will know the wholesale price, because we're going to be sending you a price list for every supplier. I have already attached that to last email, but if you want, just ask me you're starting with which supplier, and I'll email you the price list again. And in fact, you should actually work every week with a different supplier, so that way everybody is getting a fair share of product entry. If you only work with one supplier for 1 month or 2 months, and then all the other suppliers don't get a share to be on our website. So I want you guys, 2 people that are working, one person working with one supplier, another person working with another supplier, and then every week you guys change to a different supplier, so that way fresh items from every supplier is posted. Okay, that's something to remember. Every supplier has a price list, and this is called the wholesale price list. So I'm going to be sending you wholesale price list. So I'm going to be sending you a price list for every supplier. Okay, so this wholesale price list, and you put that wholesale price list prices here. Okay, and if you want to know how to calculate the MSRP, I have given you a formula, but I'll give you again. Usually we have to know the wholesale. That's very important. You need to know the wholesale price. The wholesale price, like I said, I emailed to you. Every supplier, a PDF page, wholesale prices and idle items are there. After you know that, you put the wholesale price here, and then this is always multiplied by 3. Any item, you take the wholesale price, multiply by 3, that gives you MSRP. I think the same thing we did in FW deals. And then the sale price, this is the margin you don't know. Now, I will today, when I'm going to send you the supplier list for Canadian and import, I will send you also this along to it with it together their code and their margin. It's called a margin. So we take 99, for example, this product is let's say this product is Nuevo. I don't know what product was that. Let me see. This is a sunpan. So this is a SP, means sunpan. Okay. So for example, this product by itself, where did it go? This product we multiply by 1.5. You see this here? It's actually 99 times 1.5. This is what I'm going to write for you. This is called the margin. Margin means how much profit is put over these items. So we buy for $99, we sell for $148. So 99 times 1.5, that gives you the sale price. And this is MSRP, this is nothing. This is just to manufacturer's suggested retail price. This is how much the manufacturer think is worth. If you want to know, if you ask me a question, how do I know this? You just take this price, the wholesale times 3, it gives you this. Okay? And then the wholesale times 1.5 give you this. And the 1.5, I'm going to tell you this. This is a margin that we put for all the Sanpan items, all the time. So any Sanpan product you're entering, you take the wholesale price times 1.5. That is the sale price that you put here. This is one way to enter prices, okay? This is, if I were you, if they allow this page, I would just put the wholesale prices and keep on entering items, maybe 10, 20 items. Then I would go here. Okay, let's stick with this. Then I will go right here. And I put SP dash and research. Okay. And in here, you see we have a filter. Okay. Price ascending, price descending. Okay. So right now, you see you go put wholesale price ascending, descending. Right now we are at $99. Let me see which kind of filter is this. Yeah, so this is price ascending. Let's put the price descending. You see, the highest price comes first. So if you actually search by wholesale price ASC ascending, then you will get here actually sale price. Not wholesale price, sorry. Sale price ascending. So if you take the sale prices, if you didn't put any price in this section here, if you did not put any prices here, for example, you just put 99 and no sale price here, 148.50. You didn't put anything, and then you go and search all the Sanpan items. I think you would have to search it by like maybe 1,000 pieces, like that. Okay, and then you go price, sale price ascending. They always give it the lowest price. In that case, when the lowest price is 0, it will come here first. So let's say you have 20 items and they're all showing 0 on sale price. You have the wholesale price, but all of these prices are showing 0. Okay, and there's 20 items you entered that afternoon. So you highlight them one by one. You highlight them one by one and the 20 items, and then you can just go on the top here and you put 3, right here 3, and you know the Sanpan is SP Sanpan margin is 1.5, like that, and you just click apply to products. It will apply that 20 products for you right away. Now I think maybe you should try searching by 50 item first, because that will be faster. Maybe those and if you go by cell ascending, maybe those zero price items will show up. So try that, okay? In that case, uh, all you have to do is just like I said, 3 here and 1.5 here, and all boom, is everything is done. It's better than entering, uh, calculating by manually every piece. But if this doesn't allow you, then you can just put anything. You can put $1 here again, $1 or something, just for now, until you get 20 items done, and then you go back here and you finish them. But make sure to remember to do that, finish your pricing job, because the minute you enter an item to the website, that item is live and people can see it. So let's say if you put $1, then people are gonna get confused. Is that chair cost only $1? But if you forget it for a few days, it's not good. Sorry. So that is the two-way we price this. Okay, and also in here we have a quick setting. This quick setting is really very handy. There's a lot of stuff here for you. If you want to put a product on special, you can put it here. It goes to this section. Is it on special? It goes here. Hello special. Um, if you want a bulk extra discount for people, let's say we have for 10 days we give extra discount on certain items, which is a Sanpan supplier items, starts with SP, and we find those items, and this here, you see, this is called extra discount right here. So this formula, bulk extra discount, will do that. This is a machine, does things very fast. um, these are also for category and all that updates. I will teach you one by one. So that was your question about pricing. Okay, if you still don't understand, please let me know. But again, when you're entering an item first, in here you should know the wholesale price, which will be emailed to you. After that, if you want to do quickly, you just put 1 here, enter 10 items, and then go back and use this method. From here you find those items through search, you go to ascending, sale ascending, or you can do MSRP ascending, depending on which one you put low. So that has to come out, and from there you can price them. Okay, so that's that. Okay, next question is how to find related product. Please provide product description keyword. Okay, this is very simple for me, not for you. So for example, let's take this is, you have to look at the actual product you're entering. Let's say you're entering a night table. It's in front of me. I'm going to just show you this. Okay, there's many ways to find a related product. First of all, one way is to find out what is a night table going. You know, a night table is usually going beside a bed. It's for the night. You put a lamp on it like this. Okay, you put that beside the bed, so automatically you know this belongs to a bed. So a bed can go with this, meaning a bed is related to this. You see, that's why we put a bed here. A bed can go with this. In the bedroom you have a dresser. This is called a dresser. Okay, see, this dresser can go with that. Listen very carefully. A mirror goes on top of the dresser, so this mirror can go with that. Now these other guys, they just put another bed here, which is really bad, useless, but it's okay. They could have put this chest here. You see, this chest could go there, because in a bedroom you have a bed, you have night table, you have a dresser for the ladies, in a mirror because they like to make themselves pretty, And you have a tall boy or a high boy for the men, which is something like that, but higher also. This is called a high boy. Okay, like let's see if there's any other high boy here. Yeah, this is a high boy. You see, this is a high boy. These two, armoire. This is armoire with door. This is a high boy. So these pieces are related, first of all, to the night table. But we don't put every night table here, every bed here, every night table here, every dresser here. We cannot. We have to look at which item goes with that night table. See, first of all, that item starts with WL. You see, Wellington. This is a Wellington collection. We're doing a Wellington collection. This is a college woodwork Wellington collection. So when you're doing a college woodwork piece, which is COL, okay, COL means college. You're gonna, of course, go to the college website. Okay, always you start from the manufacturer supplier website, and you already know that you have to do all of these items. Just for example, you haven't done any of these items, and you have to start from brand new. So we say to you, okay, please put all college woodwork items on our website. You say okay. So you go to the college woodwork website. You open it up. You see all of these collections. There's Amesbury, Bayview, Clarendon, Dover, Cranbrook, Cottage, Home Office, Rossburg, Wellington. You can, oh, here's the Wellington. You see? Wellington, Wellington. Okay. Wellington here, and Wellington here. This is actually a good place to learn. This is a bedroom. This is a typical Canadian bedroom. What do you see in that bedroom? You see the night table, you see a bed, you see an armoire, you see a dresser, you see a mirror. So for example, you're doing the Wellington collection, and the first item you want to do is a bed. Okay, so you're doing the bed. Okay, here is the bed. Let's say you just did this bed. You put all the information there. Okay, you took all of these, you created your categories, subcategories, and you're doing the bed. So here, beds. Okay, here's the bed. You did the bed. So that's one way to find out from the manufacturer what you see that goes in that room. You know, when you open the manufacturer collections, usually they have at least one or two pictures for the whole collection. So from there you can see that there is a dresser, night table, chest, and so on, a mirror. They go together in one room. So this is how the related product for this bed is. You know, put a night table. You put the night table. The related product for a night table is a bed and an armoire, as a dresser, a mirror, so on, like that. Okay. You want to put a related for a table, which is a dining room. For example, if you go to Handstone, look how easy it is to find a related product for a table. Depends on which product. If you go here by collection, by room, dining room, here. Any of these you take, you see, this is a dining room. A table has a chair, has a sideboard. Okay, all of these collections, which is in Handstone, when you click on it, for example, you go to the dining room. Here, there's a good example. This collection is called Algoma. Here is Algoma. In a dining room, you put a table. This is your item. You're listing a table as an item. Related product to a table is what? Here, Algoma. You see, you put Algoma. I'm going to bring the Algoma table for you so that you can see exactly what I mean. Just a table. Let me find it. Here, this is Algoma table. You're putting this table, for example, tomorrow as your first piece. Just an example. you see that on Handstone page, this table is shown with a chair, with a sideboard, with a bench. Okay, see there's an armchair, this is with the arm. This is a regular chair without the arm, and here's a sideboard, and here's a bench. So let's see what these guys they have put in there. This is our website, and the team before you, they did all of these pieces. You see here, related to this table, there's a chair, Algoma chair. There's another chair. This is the arm. This is the one with the arm. It has two arms. You see here. This is without the arm, and there's a couple of sideboard, and here's a bench. So you have up to 5 pieces you can put in there. And here you put more pictures, whatever pictures you want to put in there. So this is how you relate the items. Okay, this is for Canadian items, which is very easy. When you are entering Canadian items, first you gotta know the manufacturer. So you open their website, and the first piece you have to know what are you entering. If you want to go by collection, one collection at a time, okay, fine, you do that way. You're gonna go to collection, okay, from this collection, which category you want to put first? You want to put the bedroom, okay, you put the bedroom first. Now you're in the bedroom section. You see what goes in the bedroom? You learn that first. In a bedroom, there's a night table. Let's see. There's a night table, there's a bed, there's a highboy, armoire, and there's a dresser, and there's a mirror. Okay? Now you know what goes in this bedroom. So all of these pieces are relative of each other. If you're doing a night table, these 4 pieces go there. If you're doing a bed, these other pieces go there. If you're doing a dresser, these 3 pieces go there. If you're doing the chest, these pieces go there, like that. So these are related to each other. And if you want to find another piece of Algoma which relates to the bedroom, you put it in there by yourself. You just use your own mind. So now you want to do this dresser, for example. Okay, so you enter your dresser as a product entry. I have told you that before. And if you wanted to do the related items for this dresser, here, 1, 2, 3. There's 3-piece related items for this dresser. But you could do more because Algoma has more dressers. You see here, look at this one, they all related. This is all for that. And these pieces are actually also under more items, same collection. So when you're doing Algoma, here you see more items, same collection. All of the Algoma pieces go there. All of these pieces go there. Bedroom, dining room, everything goes there. Everything you see here, every Algoma piece is here. There's more items, same collection. And for related, what goes around this table? Okay, and this one is called also available, meaning that what other tables from Handstone, all the Handstone tables go on also available. So that was your other part of the question. Let's see what's next question you have. You're saying search product by category. So I don't know, what do you mean by this? Can you please let me know what do you want to know? Search by product by category where? Here in the front end here? This section? What do you mean by category search product? So I don't understand that. Can you please clarify this question? Thank you. So this is the conclusion for video number 3. Please listen and take a look carefully. If you have any more questions, let me know. Thank you.